Hi everybody. Today I would like to introduce American Standard cable clamps. This is a removable non-metallic electrical accessory. We will focus on the classification and use of cable clamps. First, talk about the classification of cable clamps. The main types of cable clamps in our company are RCR50 and RCR75. The RCR75 is 3/4 inch, is red. Fine. The RCR50 is 1/2 inch, its color is gray. Let's talk about how to use it. It is mainly used on metal junction boxes first. Insert the joint into the tapping hole of the bottom box. No tools needed, and then insert the wire. We can see a tongue in the middle. It protects the wire from being pulled out. It can be easily inserted or pulled out according to its own needs. Very simple and convenient. This cable clamps is generally used in M9D sheath line. On the one hand, it can prevent damage caused by rough edge of buckle. On the other hand, it can fasten the cable firmly. Today's American Standard cable clamps classification is introduced here. Thank you for watching. To learn more about our products, please visit our website www.chlinsky.com.